There is something that happens to light when it enters the sea. It follows you down through the first bright meters, turning the water every shade of blue and green. But slowly, almost gently, it begins to let go. The reds vanish first. Then orange, then yellow. The green dissolves into blue, and then the blue itself grows thin and pale until it simply disappears. At around 200 meters below the surface, roughly the height of a 60-story building, the light gives out entirely. What remains is not the darkness of a curtained room or the darkness behind your eyelids. It is something older. A darkness that has never once known light. Patient, total, and quietly immense. For full-length sleep documentaries and guided sleep experiences, visit Nocturnal Mind. The link is in the description.